Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll show you how to recover a Google account password. So let's get started. First, open the Gmail login page and enter your email address. Then click Forgot Password below the password field. Enter your recovery email address and follow the instructions sent to that address to reset your Gmail password. This method is effective if you can access the recovery email, as it offers a direct link to your account recovery. However, if you don't have access to your recovery email, but have registered a recovery phone number, you can still retrieve your Gmail password efficiently using the following method. Visit the Gmail login page and enter your email address. Then, click Forgot Password below the password field. Enter your recovery phone number and follow the on-screen instructions to get a verification code via text message or phone call. Input the verification code on the Gmail recovery page and you'll be prompted to create a new password. These two methods offer a straightforward approach to recovering your Gmail password when you have a settled recovery email or phone number linked to your account. So, that's all for today, and I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.